Are you ready to uncover the ultimate companions? Join me as we reveal the top 5 dog breeds that will steal your heart and maybe even your snacks. Starting off strong at number 5, it's the charming Beagle. With their adorable floppy ears and boundless energy, these scent hounds are always ready for adventure. But watch out, they might just follow their noses right out of the yard. At number 4, we have the loyal Golden Retriever. Known for their friendly disposition and love for fetching, these pups are family favorites and excellent therapy dogs. Who can resist that wagging tail and soulful eyes? Coming in at number 3 is the smart and sassy German Shepherd. Not just stunningly beautiful, these intelligent dogs are hardworking, serving as police and service dogs. They're more than just pets, they're protectors and partners for life. At number 2, we meet the lively French Bulldog. With their distinctive bat-like ears and playful personality, these little charmers are perfect for city dwellers. They love to lounge just as much as they love a good romp in the park. And at number 1, drumroll please, it's the ever-adorable Labrador Retriever. With their friendly nature and boundless enthusiasm, Labs are the ultimate family dog. Plus, they'll never turn down a game of fetch or a belly rub. So, which breed matches your vibe? Whether you want a cuddly companion or a playful partner, these top 5 are all pawsome in their own way. Stay tuned because we'll dive deeper into what makes each of these breeds truly special. Who knows? One of them could be your next furry best friend.